Today, I'll show you how to make these miniature takeout boxes yourself. And the link to this free template is in the description below if you want to print these out now and craft along with me. First, print out the template on 65-pound cardstock. Then, use the 8 black diamonds and naturally occurring edges as guides to score the template along all the lines shown. Simply line up the ruler with the edges, and if you purchase the Chinese food containers from our Etsy shop, the steps for your template are identical. Next, I use the X-Acto blade for the detail work, such as the tab and linear tab hole. After that, just break out the scissors and go to town. Beautiful! Now, pre-fold the template along all the scored lines and you'll quickly discover that putting this together will only require a high school diploma from a mid-level art school, which I, of course, possess. Next, apply glue to the flaps along the sides and attach them to the sides of your container. Next up, I'll show you how to make your rice, noodles, and mini chopsticks. And if you're enjoying the video so far, subscribe today and hit the notification bell to make sure you never miss out on any of our future videos. To make the miniature rice, I went out and bought some rice. To make the chopsticks, however, I used toothpicks and a manicurist's apparatus, colloquially known as a toenail clipper. Simply cut the toothpicks to size, file them down, paint them black, and boom! Instant rice. Alternatively, to make the dollhouse noodles, you can use either yellow or cream-colored paper and then cut them into thin strips, or use your wife's mandolin slicer from her crafting bin.
It's not a mandolin slicer, it's a paper cutter.
Then, dip your strips in water and mold the paper into the desired shape. Let it dry naturally though, and don't take your wife's blow dryer to speed up the process.
What are you doing? You're gonna start a fire!
It's dangerous. Some other helpful tips include pinching the paper like you would a loved one or a friend, and dabbing it with little hints of soy sauce so that it tastes better when you serve it to your dolls. I hope you had as much fun watching this video as I had making it. And if you want to support our shop and add these Chinese takeout containers to your collection, the links to all that and more are in the description below. Once again, thank you for watching and supporting the shop. And let me know what ideas or suggestions you have in the comments below.